Welcome to Jurassic Park. Let's try that again. Got it. Well, I went and took this thing for a little cruise with the hatch glass delete, and got a brake actually smoking. So, I mean, there was all this stuff crapped in it, stuck in there, but I'll bet you this is the problem. This slide is supposed to pop right out, and I had to do all I could to even get this thing to turn, and then put a bunch of pressure on it while I was turning it with a ratchet to pull it out. Quite certain wheel bearing grease is not the right grease for this job, but it's gonna be better than seized. Alright, well this thing is such a colossal turd. I'm even gonna throw plugs and wires at it and then clean up the distributor and rotor, the cap and rotor, make sure that's all good, because it is painfully bad in high range. Oh yeah, so this one did the same thing just now, trying to pop it off. This thing was so stuck on there, even the vice grips were pliers that I got, pulling it apart rather than pulling it off. The same thing happened, that was cylinder 1. Same thing happened on cylinder 6 before the Gambler, and I didn't have anything here, so I kind of band-aided it and made my own, which didn't run any worse after I did that, but the new set of plugs won't hurt. Well, that felt like it had a 1000% chance of those screws breaking. So we just sanded the tip of the rotor while it's in there. Fuck it. Yeah, they kind of look like crap, but I don't think it's going to be those are the ones I sanded. I don't know if it's going to be a big enough difference to make it run better. Well, from the look of these plugs, I don't think they have anything to do with the performance deficiency. And cylinder number 3 is right in the way of the steering shaft, and I don't care enough about this thing to actually go ahead and change that. It's going to stay there. Alright, that's all done. And I doubt it's any better than it was before. Although, it did allow me to finish off with 2 of the dielectric grease on all the rest of the ignition stuff. Just so that when I finally do find a water crossing that's deep enough to test the snorkel out, I shouldn't have any issues with the ignition part of it. Hey honey, did you work on the Camaro today or that stupid Blazer? She just saw me taping, so she's gonna shut it off and not drive it. She secretly loves this thing though. I don't blame her, it's badass. Can't be caught on camera driving the Blazer. Oh, I caught her driving it. You can't really see her. Oh, hi! Seen this on YouTube once, and this don't work. It's Matt's fault from Matt's Off-Road Recovery.
You're too high.
We should come down a little once it gets some weight. Look at that! The wifey said it couldn't be done. Try that again. Got it. It wasn't too graceful. No, I don't want tongue weight for doing Bernie's. I haven't really been up the hill here in a while. Just kind of been playing around with that little pond that's down there. This thing's a beast though, it goes friggin' anywhere. We got a big old rock we're standing on here, scouting out a spot for fall pictures with a little kiddo. I think this will be a good spot. This time. Broke it. The mount. Woo-wee. Yeah. Damn near ran over the GoPro. That would have been bad. I could use my little axe to chop this thing off, but I'm just gonna have the wifey drive it out of here. Lost their GoPro, broke the GoPro mount. You're like 5'8". I don't know how much clutch is left. Babe, don't scratch it. Wow, there we go. Oh, now she's taking off on me. Yay, yay! Welcome to Jurassic Park! dielectric grease on, so it wouldn't die if we got all that.